Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Candace Fugate, President of the Pediatric Group. This holiday season will be like no other. After months of isolation and separation to prevent the spread of COVID-19, we all want to celebrate with our families. So how do we make this happen as safely as we can? First, should we travel? Well, there's no blanket approach. It is about the individuals attending that celebration. Your family will need to make a personal risk assessment. First, does your family or others who may be attending have risk factors that could increase the complications from COVID-19 should they fall ill? For example, age over 65 or chronic illness. If yes, experts recommend that you do not go and consider a virtual holiday instead. If you feel you must go, quarantining prior to travel is an option, but it's actually too late for Thanksgiving. Quarantining should start 14 days prior to the event. You could consider traveling and completing the quarantine additional days at your location. Any way to reduce risk is good. What about testing prior to travel? Having a positive COVID test would mean you simply should not go. However, a negative test is not so helpful. Having a negative result on the day of the test does not guarantee that on subsequent days you would not develop COVID-19 and still spread this virus even if asymptomatic. So if you decide to visit your family, you would still need to wear a mask and socially distance when possible. How should you travel? The less exposure, the better. Experts say travel by car is the best, but there are still risk factors like stopping for gas, eating at restaurants, and visiting rest areas. Can you reduce your risk by minimizing the number of stops and packing smart? Yes. What can you do after you arrive to protect others and yourself? Once there, if there are more than one household attending, everyone should continue to wear the masks. Then when eating and drinking, if possible, households should actually sit separately, and eating outdoors is better than indoors. If eating outdoors is not an option, then when eating indoors, open the doors and windows to increase airflow. Everyone, please remember to wear a mask, social distance when traveling, and consider all who may be present when making the decision to attend the gatherings. This year may be a smaller holiday with family at home, visiting others virtually may be a better option. To you and your family, everyone at TPG is wishing you the happiest and safest of holidays. Please call our offices if you have any questions or concerns that we can help with. Please, everyone, take care and be safe.